Birds have feathers, tail, and beaks. Seeds and worms are a great treat. They flap their wings and fly around higher and higher off the ground. Yes, kids. Can you guess in which topic we are going to talk about? Yes, birds. So in this video we will learn different types of birds. Are you ready? This is pigeon. Pigeons are grey in color. This is parrot. Parrot are green and they also mimic you. This is sparrows. Sparrows are brown in color. This is crow. Crows are so black. This is owl. Do you know, kids? Owl can see at night also. This is beautiful peacock. Peacocks are colorful bird and it's a national bird. Look at these pictures. Wow, this is crow. Yes, guess which bird is this? Yes, this is peacock. Can you tell me which bird is this? Yes, it's a parrot. Hope you learned all the different types of birds. Can you do one activity? Look at this picture and find bird. Yes, you did it. This is a crow. Well done, kids. Hope you learned all the birds. Great job. Thanks for watching this video.